Here we're looking at a Dutch Star 4369. It's a 2024 model here. And let's go ahead and quickly look at the storage bays here, which are quite large. Wow, look at that. There's a central vat here, a little pegboard with a little tray here to hold some things. And going on the vat here, we have our depth tank here, and we have our chassis batteries and some switches. Here is the outside. That's our egress door. And we have two slides this side with a TV with sound bars. So let's go inside next. Let's check out the inside. Oh, wait. There's actually two big storage bins under here. Look at that one. It goes way in there. Plus the usual slide tray that comes out here at the top of the steps when you're driving. And look, it's Marie. Hey.
I've been looking at all these gadgets. You got all kinds of nice pretty switches for your fans and your lights and your shades over here.
Besides that display.
Yeah, there's two displays. But the main part is all over here on your left, right by your fan. You have your leveler, your drive shaft sticks. You've got your bag air dumps and everything. Engine starts all over on this side. Very convenient to you. Very nice. They also have your telephone and everything going into your steering wheel.
There's a Spartan chassis.
Mm-hmm. And above these, there's a couple cabinets.
Wait, there's two drawers down here.
Oh, yes, there are. Oh, and I had just opened them, too. There's one. Here's two.
Wow, look at that.
And a little place for your telephones, too. Now, up here you have a couple cabinets. This is basically you can monitor your electricity and usage.
Your bypass switches, yeah, okay.
And then you have another cabinet over here on this side.
Over here, uh-huh. Look at that. Now, also, this chair, captain seat, is extra wide. It's a little wider than the driver's seat, and has a fold-up desk.
TV tray.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a very nice wide.
And has a little wireless charging dock for your phone.
We do have.
We also have a couple extra docking ports and not ports, USB and 12-volt sockets.
We do have a pull-out bed here for the sofa. Right here, and it's a little drawer with two little spaces here.
And a free water bottle with every purchase.
Yeah, obviously somebody got hot and tired walking around the show. Okay, we have a whole slew of cabinets here.
Let's see this.
So we have 4 pieces through here in the living room. There's 3 more in the dining room that are identical, so we won't open those.
Well, they're actually not quite identical. They're a little smaller. This kind of bend around, and that one's a little shorter. You see it? This is about half the length of this cabinet.
Yes, it's also longer.
It's longer, but I'm saying.
But it's narrower.
It's narrow. This is one big cabinet here.
And there's 3 here.
And that's 3 there, right?
Okay.
So
from the sleeper sofa, you have this sofa, which also makes into a bed, and you have your TV on your color ejector family jiggy.
Cinema Jiggy. It has a Bluetooth soundbar up ahead.
Yes, it does.
And here we have a cabinet. And one thing that kind of frankly annoys me about Newmar's is the fact that they have this beautiful cabinetry here, and you open it and it's half gone. And they do it all the way across. And I guess they want to have additional structure rigidity, but that's one of my major dislikes of Newmar coaches.
But they are well built and they are.
Oh, absolutely. Nice. Here's a pull-out. Pull out, whatever you want to call it, countertop.
Okay, we're obviously getting tired, folks. This is an island that it does pull out. There's 2 very long drawers in it. And in addition to that, we're going along the bottom, evidently.
And the remote controls.
Yes, and then we have the dishwasher down here. And we're not very successful in opening them up today. I must be tired.
You know, right? I always thought it was like tap once and whatever.
Okay.
If you guys know how to open it up, let me know. Here we have a 2-burner induction cooktop.
Along with your farm style sink.
Yes, what's it, a farm style sink, yeah.
Or an apron sink, some people call it. Well, that actually is actually.
And this actually is a pull-out for your $500 trash can.
Yeah.
And let's see, we also have a couple pull-out drawers there. And a cabinet here. Look at that. All right, across the way here we have our residential refrigerator. We've got beautiful top refrigerator, full freezer with 2 sections in here.
Right next to the refrigerator is the dining area. And the pantry.
There's the pantry, so the dining area is right here. Sorry, not meant to skip over that. What do we got here?
In the dining area, there are 2 drawers on either side.
Someone's playing with the horns out there. Here we have a very big, deep drawer, and we have a couple of cabinets directly under the dinette table.
Stay right here, just like all the way back.
All right, and we have a half bath right here. And a little vessel sink here. Let's see, where is the light switch here? There we go. And here's a corner cabinet here. And a little medicine cabinet here. And this area here is just for your circuits and some wiring. There's your coil holder. It's a vertical one, very unusual. And what do we got back here, Jared?
Back here we have basically identical on both sides. So we have 2 wardrobes like this.
And 6.
And we have 6 drawers on the bottom. We just open up one. As you can see, they're all about the same size.
This one here is just like it has electronic though, so it is different than the others.
Right.
One of these things is not like the other.
You have a king size bed. You have 4 cabinets above it.
And these are all pass through. There actually is a little hole in the back for you to pass your CPAP through. And we have a little cabinet there. And this is the king size bed.
Yeah, and a little cabinet on the side.
What's that light over there?
Right there.
Okay.
And then what's really awesome about this coach is the bathroom. And we're going to wait a second if we have the people looking at it. I'm sure they don't want to be on film. Oh, we didn't want to take somebody without the permission. This is an amazing bathroom. Okay, so we have bathroom. And
We're going to try it out.
here we are.
Okay. Here we have a fold-down seat and a little place to hold your soaps here. And a rain shower head, which for me is more like lacerate neck view. But it does swing up, kind of interesting. You swing it up and you can lock it in place. Now, one thing about Newmar's is they have this domed bathroom ceiling here, which adds to the spacious. It's nice to be grabs on it. So all I did is a 10 out of 10, except of course maybe a half point deducted for the DDT bar here.
Yeah, I do like the fact that they do put safety reels in their showers and things. It's a nice touch. Also, another nice touch about that is they have 2 towel racks here. You don't always see towel racks in all the coaches.
Here's your egress door behind the toilet.
Right over here, we have a cabinet. And it can be a wardrobe. There is a bar running through. The shelves are adjustable.
The cabinet.
It runs right through here.
You actually have stairs going down there, at least it looks like. And we have a safe.
Then over by the sink, we have double sink on the vanity. A very large medicine cabinet. Look at all that room there. So if you're really sick, we got you covered.
So it must be for really old people with lots of medicines.
Hey, not all people have lots of medicine.
I'm kidding.
You know, a shampoo bottle, my lotion bottle, conditioner bottle, perfume bottle. See, I go.
I stand corrected. Well, we have these wonderful cabinets on either side.
We have 3 cabinets right in the middle.
Are you sure they're all open?
There's 3.
And last but not least, we have a stackable washer and dryer. What of that? Well, we hope you like this little tour of this coach. We want you to always remember to open the doors to adventure.
Let's start all your journeys with
the RV Tees. Have a great day.